Hi, this is Kevin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download all your form submission data from your website's CMS into an Excel file. So let's say you have a contact us form on your website. You may be getting some email notifications that people are filling it out, but you want to download all the submissions at one time into an Excel file that you can then sort and store. Um, so what you would do is log into the CMS, and then from the dashboard, we're going to look under content, and we're going to find forms under types of content. And if we click on that, we're going to get a list of all the forms on our site. And there you see the contact us form. Now, if I click on the title, it's going to open the form in edit mode, and I would, be editing the form fields. But if I look over here under responses, I see the number 3 in a green circle. And that's how many form submissions we have. And I can actually click on that, and it's going to bring up a list of form responses. And now what I can do is click a checkbox next to one of the rows, and that's going to bring up this little box here that where I can hit select all. And then in the bulk actions menu, I can select export to Excel. And that's going to download an Excel file of all my form submissions, as you can see there. Now, there'll be some extra columns that you might want to clean up that don't mean anything, like user ID and IP address, but the form responses are all there. Like there's first name, email, phone, last name, how did you hear about us, etc. So that's how we download form submissions into an Excel